morning students, welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter decimal fractions, exercise 4C, in the page number 61. Let us see the multiplication of the decimal numbers or decimal fractions. All of you look at the board and open your textbook, page 61, 4th chapter it is, that is exercise 4C. See here, first question, multiply heading. So we need to multiply the given decimal numbers or decimal fractions. 0.87 should be multiplied by 10. So those two numbers should be multiplied each other. 0.87 into 10. Here 10 is having starting 1 and 0. 1 time 0 is given there. That's why this point should move towards the right side. That should cross one digit and should form. That means this point should reach up to here. Then 0.8 should be as it is. That point should be crossed one digit towards its right side. So in between 8 and 7 point should be arranged, because that point, decimal point should cross one digit towards the right because of having 1 time 0. If 2 zeros are there, like 100 and starting 1, then that decimal point should cross 2 digits towards its right side. That is the condition we have to understand. Now, only 10 with 1 time 0, of course starting is 1. So that this decimal point should cross one digit towards its right side, that is 0.8.7. That leftmost 0 has no value. That's why 8.7 will be the answer for us. Is it clear, students? We'll go for other sum also. By doing that, we'll understand the things very clearly. This 2.948, second bit. Question 1 only, second bit. Let us see. 2.948 should be multiplied by 100. So that number into 100. This 100 is having 2 zeros in it. Starting it should be 1. That all the things are there what we have spoken. When 2 zeros are with us, the point which is also called decimal point should cross 2 digits towards its right side, because here 2 zeros are there and starting 1 is there. Okay, so this point should cross 2 digits towards its right side. So then this point should be placed between 4 and 8. Am I correct? Because first digit, second digit, after crossing 2 digits, that point should be formed in between 4 and 8. That only written. Actually point is here, that was written here because after 2 digits it has to be formed. So that's what 294.8, that becomes the answer. Is it clear now? The same, both are same only. It is with whole number, multiplication only with whole number. Here is with 10, here is with 100, but it is with 4. Directly we have to multiply. That is 5.8 should be multiplied with 4. 4 8s are 32. 3 somewhere and in the rough somewhere and 2 written. 4 5s are 20. 20 and 3 23. And in the question point is after one digit is there. From right to left we should count when we count points in the decimal part. From right to left we should count. So after one digit point is there. In the answer also, after one digit I have to place point. That is called as 23.2. That becomes the answer for this product. It is very easy because ordinary multiplication only. Is it clear now, students? We will go for the page number 62. Open all of you. Second question. Page 62. Second question. First bit. They said 0.5. You multiply this 0.5 with 10. No? This 0.5 multiply with 100, 0.5 should multiply with 1000. Then what can be the result is the question. Here also same. This number should be multiplied with 10, 100, 1000 as we have done previously. Is it clear? Now let us see how to get those answers. If at all we understand fourth one, the same manner as first one. First, fourth of second question, same model only. Let us discuss first fourth one. It will be more easy. With the knowledge of it, we can understand the first one. Let us see all of you this fourth one. This number is going to be multiplied with 10. 10 is having starting 1 and only one time 0 is there now. So that this point should move towards its right side and that too it should cross one digit towards its right we said. Then the point should be placed here. Then before the point what we have two zeros. Two zeros not having any value. So that 0.359 written. I hope it is clear for you. Actually point is here. It should move up to there. That's why 0.359. That is only answer. Next part what is the same decimal number or decimal fraction multiplying with 100. Starting 1 and 2 zeros are there. So this point should cross 2 digits because of the 100. So 003.59. 0 zeros no value, just 3.59. Because this point should move up to there, no, up to here, no, because the point should cross 2 digits. Then point should be where the finger is shown to you. Am I correct? So 3.59. Zeros have no value. I have ignored that part. I hope it is clear for you. Next one, this number is going to be multiplied with 1000 with 3 zeros. So starting 1 is there. So this point should cross 3 digits. First digit, second digit, third digit. So point should form here. These zeros have no value. So 35.9. 35.9. I hope these three multiplications are very clear for you. Same knowledge will help us to do it for the first one. See here, 0.5 into 10. This point should cross and form up to here. That is 0.5 point. That means here only point should cross. I said no. 0.5 written. Point after the point nothing is there means 0. This 0 has no value. That 0 has no value. Just 5 is the answer for us. Am I correct? Next, same decimal fraction or number multiplied with 100. Here 2 zeros are there. So this point should cross 2 digits. Here only one digit is there to cross. Another digit is not there to cross. The digit we can think of 0. So this should cross 5 and the next digit not there means 0. So 50 after the 50 point. After that nothing is there means 0. This 0 has no value, that 0 has no value. Only 50 will come out as our answer. Am I correct? Once again I am saying this. Here 2 zeros number we are multiplying with 0.5. That is 100 we are multiplying with 0.5. Since we have 2 zeros and starting 1 now, this point should cross 2 digits towards its right side from this decimal part. But here only one digit 5 only there. Other digit is not there to cross. That digit they thought as 0. After the 0 we should place point. That's why 50 point we have placed. Now it is clear, I think so. After the point nothing is there is 0. Again no value for the 0, no value for this 0. This 50 middle one what is there, that is written. Now next see, same number multiplied with 1000. Starting is 1, 3 zeros. Then now this point should cross 3 digits. Only one digit is given. Other 2 more digits we want. Total 3 digits that point should cross. Here another digit is 0. Next digit also 0. After that point. That's why 0, 5, 0, 0. Then point. After the point nothing is there. That's why that is 0. This 0 has no value. That 0 has no value. Middle 500 only will be the answer. I hope first one, fourth one, first, second question are clear for you. Next we have third question. This is question 3. Evaluate. Evaluate first one 5.897 into 2.3. Here is a decimal point, here also a decimal point given, asking us to multiply. There is a procedure, we have used check once. This same question is written, that same number written without point by, that is 1000 I have placed in its denominator. Why? Because after how many digits point is allotted? After 3 digits point is allotted. The point which is after 3 digits we want to remove. That's why 3 zeros number, of course starting must be 1. That is only 1000 is placed. Then the point is disappeared. The decimal point is removed or disappeared. Got it? Into here point is there after 1 digit. To remove the point which is after 1 digit, I should place a number in the denominator with 1 times 0. Of course starting should be 1 always. That is only 10. Whenever 23 by 10 is written, then the point is disappeared or removed, the decimal point. 2.3 nothing but 23 by 10. Here point which is after 3 digits removed, so that the 3 zeros number, that is 1000, is placed in its denominator and no more point is written in the numerator part. I hope it is clear for you. Then 1000 into 10 gives you 10,000. So both the denominators multiplied and 10,000 I have written. Next numerator and numerator both we should multiply in the rough. Then finally I got this 1,35,631 by 10,000. As we said earlier, here how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. To remove this number with 4 zeros, of course starting 1, then we will keep after 4 digits, then we should put a point in the numerator after 4 digits. Now first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit. After the fourth digit I have placed a point 13.5631. After how many digits I have placed a point? After 4 digits. Why after 4 digits I have selected here? Because there is a number in the denominator with 4 zeros. That's why I have selected a point after the 4 digits. That is only called as 13.5631. That is the answer for us for this first bit in the question 3. 2 more bits are there in the same procedure. We will come to know that part. Let us go for third question only, second bit. Let us see the same procedures. We will make it clear for us. 0.894 is going to be multiplied with 87. The same numbers are written. 0.894 fully written without point. That point which is after 3 digits I have removed. So in the denominator I have placed 3 zeros number starting with 1 called 1000. Am I correct? Into 87 having no decimal point. So 87, same 87, 87 by 1. Is it clear for you, children? Next, denominator 1000 once 1000. This 0 has no value. 894 I have multiplied with 87 in the rough. Then I got 77,778 by 1000 once 1000. I hope it is clear for you. Then here denominator with a number with 3 zeros, starting is with 1. So I have placed a point in the numerator in the next step after 3 digits. First digit, second digit, third digit. After 3 digits I have placed a point because 3 zeros number 1000 is there in the denominator. I want to remove that 1000 for the next step. Then point is after 3 digits I have arranged. Counting should be started from right to the left when we want to place point. Is it clear? Then 7 and 7 already there, called as 77.778. That remains the answer for us. Is it clear, students? In the same way, one more question also there. Let us discuss that part. I hope these are very clear for you. See here once. 6th bit. Third question only. 6th bit. In the same page, 62. Okay. Then 2.4 into 3.5 into 4.8. Now those points I have to remove, then we will get the answer part. See once, 2.4 written as 24 by 10. You know, point is there after one digit. To remove that point, I have to place a number with 1 times 0. Starting should be 1, we have discussed it. That is 10. Am I correct? Into 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10. Same like that only. Into 4.8 can be written as 48 by 10. Okay. Now cancellation. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s 35. 5 2s 10 and 5 7s 35. Now 2 and 24 cancelled. 2 1s are 2. 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Till here cancellation is very clear, I think. Afterwards, again 10 and 12 we can cancel. Otherwise this 10 and 48 also we can cancel. But I am not going to cancel, because even if you cancel also, we will get the same answer. But here, why I have selected without cancellation is 10 into 10 into 10 is 100, and when there is a number with zeros with starting 1, our task will be easy for the next step. That's why I did not cancel. I hope it is also clear for you. 10 into 10 is 100. I have written in the denominator to make our work easier. I have written 100. Though there is a possibility for the cancellation, I did not cancel. Now our work will be easy. That's why only I am writing like this. 10 into 10 gives you 100. Numerators are what are left? 12 multiplied with 7, that is 84. 12 7s are 84. 84 and 48 we have to multiply. 84 and 48 we should multiply in the rough. Then you will get an answer called 4032. 4032 by 100 now. Okay now? Here 2 zeros. So point can be arranged after 2 digits. Counting should be started from right side to the left. Then first digit is 2, second digit is 3. After the 3 I have to arrange a point, that is only arranged. Then other part I have written as it is. After 2 digits I have placed a point, that is only 40.32. Suppose if you cancel here, then you will get another numerator, then denominator also another. Then you have to divide in the rough like a ordinary division. Then also you will get the same answer. Nothing difficult or nothing difference. You may go for that procedure or this procedure. But final answer remains same. It will be more easy if the denominator is either 10 or 100 or 1000 like this. Our task will be easy. Directly we can place a point, as there are number of zeros in the denominator. Of course, starting should be 1. We should check always for the number in the denominator. So it is called 40.32. That remains the answer. Is it clear, students? Okay. This part of the work I will send you through the photo. You have to write it. Thank you, students. Take care of it.